Alright, so for today's inventor lesson, we're going to be drawing the top plate for the beverage server. So the first thing we want to do is get a sketch plane, like always. So create 2D sketch. It's going to be this plane, which is also the XZ plane. So go ahead and click on that plane. And the first thing we're going to do is draw a circle. Remember, the shortcut command for circle is just C. Go to the center here. And the diameter of that circle is 10 inches. So go ahead and just type 10, enter, and we'll zoom out so we can see that it's 10 inches. And then we will extrude that circle. Remember, click Finish Sketch, click Extrude, and we want to extrude that at 3/8 of an inch thick, and go ahead and change to direction 2 and click the green check mark. Alright, now we're going to put the hole right in the middle that will go along with the handle. So click the top of the face, create a 2D sketch on that, draw a circle that is a 1/2 inch in diameter. So it's going to be 0.5, and we're going to extrude that as a cut, and we're going to go 3/8 of an inch thick and green check mark. Now we're going to draw the circles that go around the outside here. That would be where the beverage that you will create will be held. So click 2D sketch. Now what we want to do is we want to draw this top one up here first. This is going to be very important that you draw this one first, because especially when we draw the holes on the bottom side, and it will help with your assembly. So we want to draw a line that comes out at 3 inches, because the center of these holes are on a 6-inch diameter circle, so the radius will be 3. And we're going to draw a circle at this end point, and the diameter of that is 2.5. And then let's extrude that hole as a cut all the way through, green check mark. Now we have the start of the holes for the beverage. Now we need to get the holes around the outside, so it's going to be circular pattern. Remember, choose the feature first, just like the button says, being pushed in. Click that circle, then click the button that says rotation axis, and click this center circle because that's where it will rotate around. It says right on the sheet that you want 5 total, and there, click check mark, and you're good to go. Now you're not done yet. Even though you can't see them on the sheet, you have to put holes on the bottom side here. So we'll click bottom, and we're going to rotate this, and we're going to put a new sketch right on this face. We're going to draw the first hole right here. So again, we have to draw a line. Shortcut for a line command is just L. It's going to go up 3 inches. And we're going to draw a circle right here that is 5/16 in diameter. And remember, if you don't know 5/16 as a decimal, just 5/16. Then we're going to finish sketch. We're going to extrude that hole as a cut. And it doesn't go all the way through. It only goes into the part 1/4 of an inch. And it should not go all the way through like that. Now we're almost done. The last part that we have to do is circular pattern. You might want to zoom in here. Click this as your feature. The rotation axis is the center again. And make sure that you choose 5. Click OK. And now this is the top face. And the bottom face should have the holes where the peg will be held into. And that is the top plate for the beverage server.